Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get Monopoly GO reward codes. First, you can find codes inside specially marked Physical Monopoly GO board games. Just check the sheet inside the box for a 12-digit code, which can be redeemed on up to 4 accounts for special rewards, like the gold Mr. Monopoly token. Another way is using free dice links. Scopely occasionally shares these links through official Monopoly GO channels. Each link gives extra dice rolls and can be claimed once per account. To redeem your code, go to the Monopoly Go reward code page. Enter your 12-digit code, click Claim, and then open the app to see your new token or bonus. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, and keep in mind, codes are often time-sensitive. That's it. Follow Monopoly Go on social media to stay updated on new codes. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.